know how to fly. We know how to fly the drone, and people are pulling over. I just do not want them to be cringed off and just get away.
What is the first step on flying the drone?
Turn it on.
Yeah, turn it on.
So first we're going to turn on first the drone itself.
And then we're gonna go into the app.
And then we're going to the app. Just go in the settings and make sure you are connected to the, there you go. Okay, so we are connected, and then we'll go back to the Uranhub Fly app.
Now all we have to do is take this thingy out so that we can put the phone in,
Okay.
and then we could watch what. No. Oh, okay.
Okay.
I thought it was
There
a
you go.
different way. Okay.
There you go.
No, like you have to put it forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Go to fly.
Not yet.
Oh.
Okay.
I didn't know.
To connect the drone, we have to calibrate and then put the drone like in front over here and then start spinning
Okay, until you hear a beep.
from the controller.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I
think
didn't
this
even
one
turn
is-
it on. This sucks. Oh
There
my
you go.
gosh, I forgot.
Go. Now you can
spin.
spin it.
Faster.
Spin faster.
Well, this is gonna take long.
That way.
Okay.
That way. Let's spin. There you go.
Beeped.
I heard it. One more thing is to calibrate it like vertically. So position your drone like this, and then you go downward, upward until you hear the beep one more time.
It's so hard to go.
Succeeded in beeping the drone.
Calibrating. Now we'll try to fly it.
Why is it not connected?
Now it's ready to fly. Yeah.
I'm gonna chase the storm.
This is
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
What?
You turned it off!
Guys, get away! I'm chasing it!
Where is it going? Who's controlling?
Mom. Mommy, make it as high as possible.
No, it's too windy.
to the video only. So yeah,
You have
I
to
guess.
try another time when it's not like windy.
Yeah.
You know?
Because it might break the propeller if the wind is this kind of wind, the strong wind.
Yeah.
So at least we already know how to fly the Uranhub drone GPS.
GPS drone. GPS drone.
Uranhub GPS drone.
But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. And hit the notification bell to